March 11, 2026, in Vanj district, the Inter-Ministerial Commission on Combating Trafficking in Persons under the government of the Republic of Tajikistan, Abdurahmon Alamshozoda, made detailed report on the danger and manifestation of human trafficking, which is now becoming a transnational crime. Evidence and examples of the criminals' intentions and the fates of the victims of this particularly serious crime were also provided during the meeting of the Vanj district residents, along with legal recommendations for combating human trafficking. The leadership of the district, which is also directly responsible for the activities of the Territorial Commission under the guidance of the chairman of the Inter-Ministerial Commission, conducted meetings with members of the public, representatives of various professions and occupations, and a campaign to mobilize residents. At the end of the regular meeting, a booklet entitled Combating Human Trafficking was distributed to the participants. Then, a campaign was held among the population from place to place, door to door, targeting traders in markets and shopping centers, pupils in secondary schools, and worshippers in the district's community mosques to raise legal awareness and actively fight against human trafficking. Combating human trafficking is one of the most complex transnational crimes, posing a serious threat to human rights and freedoms. Victims of human trafficking are primarily young people, women and labor migrants, as they are in vulnerable situations. Another key driver of human trafficking is the socio-economic situation associated with the recruitment, transportation, harboring, or acceptance of people for the purpose of exploitation. This includes physical exploitation, labor exploitation, forced marriage, forced begging, organ harvesting, and more. Key methods for preventing and combating human trafficking include, above all, raising legal awareness among the population, increasing penalties for criminals, joint efforts by states, providing legal and social-psychological support, preventing dangerous journeys, and so on. In order to make the population more aware of the dangers and crimes of modern times, the Territorial Commission in the Yazgulon village community building of Vanj district also gathered residents and employees of various professions and launched a community mobilization campaign against human trafficking. During the campaign, the population, realizing the dangers of human trafficking, also considered such a preventive measure as useful information for themselves and their relatives. A campaign to combat human trafficking was held for other employees of various sectors, including the population, canteens, shops, and construction sites. It is hoped that the implementation of such educational awareness events will have a positive impact on the formation of the mindset of rural residents. Today, in the Yazgulon Jamaat, a conference on the topic of human trafficking was held with the participation of employees of the Ministry of Internal Affairs. Indeed, we have mastered many good topics at this conference. I would like to note that there are citizens abroad, and we must also explain to them that they should not join terrorist and extremist groups. Also, they should contribute to the development of our beloved Tajikistan. We, the youth, are also trying to explain this inhuman phenomenon to the people, along with law enforcement officers, so that they shouldn't join these criminal groups and also engage in education.